Experience the harmony of tradition and innovation at Aroma Sandalwood managed farmlands by Jeevana Nidhi developers. With a proven track record of delivering quality residential layouts across Bangalore, Tumkur, Chikkaballapur, Davagere, and Hindupur, Jeevana Nidhi developers now opens the door to a new realm of rural living. Welcome to our managed farmland, where community health and prosperity are our top priorities. With over 100 varieties of seasonal fruits and medicinal plants, we are dedicated to nourishing both body and soul. Enjoy the benefits of 100% land ownership and a unique revenue sharing model, where you receive 60% of the profits. Plus, with zero maintenance charges, your investment yields nothing but pure, organic goodness. Join us in cultivating a healthier future, one harvest at a time.
Discover the ultimate rural retreat at our managed farmland, where luxury meets nature in perfect harmony. Immerse yourself in a world of relaxation and adventure with our range of amenities, including a guest house, swimming pool, and animal and bird farm. Let your children explore and play in our dedicated kids area while you unwind amidst the serene beauty of our cycling paths, sandwalks, and badminton courts. Experience the best of both worlds at our managed farmland, where every moment is a cherished memory waiting to be